This small video is based on the ideas in connection with the diminutive nouns expressing small animals. Okay, at the time of speaking and writing, we usually use diminutive nouns to make our sentence amusing and interesting. How? Let's see. Whenever we make a diminutive nouns to indicate animals, we take the help of suffixes like ling, let, kin, et, etc. out of affection to express smallness of animals. Yes, let's see how. Here we find two columns, nouns, and here diminutive nouns. In the case of dog, we can use puppy, pop, doggy out of love or affection. Okay. Similarly, chicken. In order to express smallness of chicken, we use chick. For cat, kitten or kitty. Duck, duckling, okay, small duck, deer or antelope, then fawn, baby deer, goose, gosling, yes, small goose, okay, elephant, cow, camel. Here the baby is called calf, and owl, yes, baby owl is called owlet, pig, piglet, eagle, eaglet, okay, sheep, lamb, baby sheep, okay, swan, cygnet, horse. For male we use cord, and for female filly, hare, leveret, okay. For lion, bear and tiger, the baby is called cub, okay. For kangaroo and koala, the baby is joy. Yes, these are the very cute words which are usually used to make our speaking very amusing and interesting. Okay.